the razor. This is the razor. How do you hold it?
How do you hold it?
Okay.
How about you? How
This is
about
how I
you?
hold it.
Ooh.
Wait, I do that sometimes as well, you know. When I get to the top there, I go like
Mali pa vlog ko
that as
talaga.
well, you know.
Wala akong pakailan mo na this
On the
one.
left corner.
Fishing Master Fish!
And on the right corner.
Weighing 65 kilos.
Mervin!
Mervinator!
So you agreed that Mervin is gonna cut your hair, right?
The left side.
Yeah, not yet.
We're
Not
gonna vlog it. We're gonna vlog.
How about
No,
fish?
but fish is
How about
insisting
fish?
that
Okay.
he's gonna
So
cut my
Fish,
hair.
you want to
What's your
also cut his
benefits? What's your
hair.
benefits?
My benefit?
You want to
That
also
my
cut
job
his hair.
is all about precision and dexterity. Yeah? His job
Okay.
is all about sitting in the office, yeah, in the computer and all.
Oh, so your
paperwork.
fighting
Okay.
was gonna cut his
Okay.
hair.
Okay. When was the last time that I cut my hair? Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Look at the precision. Look at how straight that is. Look at the fade. Look at the fade.
You freaking sell person.
Apart from the fade, I can do number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 fade. Yeah.
Okay.
That's number 1. And then number 2, I've been cutting my hair for 3-4 years.
Come back here, come back
Okay,
here, come back here. I used to cut this guy's hair. I cut this guy's hair before he cut his own hair.
Okay, come back here, come back here. So that is true, but you know what they say, right? You learn from your master, Master Fish. Okay? So I'll come back here now. So I learned from him,
And you always go back to your master. Okay? You always go back to your master because you need to learn more.
The question is,
He neglected that ever since.
when was the last time that Master Fish cut his hair? Ask him.
When was the last time you cut your
3
hair?
weeks ago.
His own hair or someone else's hair?
My own hair.
Now look
Oh,
at
when was the last time I cut my hair?
Look, wait. Ask yourself, yeah. What haircut would you prefer? Would you like something like this,
No.
or you want something with style? This is not style.
Same as yours, yeah.
That's
Okay.
mine, yeah. Let's do
Okay.
this.
3 weeks? Yesterday. What would you do? Dun dun dun!
What about one does the other side and one does the other side? Okay?
That's the idea that I have.
Let me do your left, and he'll do your right.
Challenge! Birthday challenge!
And then you
Now!
can do it for yourself,
Birthday
yeah?
challenge.
You can do it for yourself.
hold the
Okay, hold on. Okay, this is the razor. This is the razor. How do you hold it?
How do you hold it?
Okay.
How about you? How
This is
about
how I
you?
hold it.
Ooh.
Wait, I do that sometimes as well, you know. When I get to the top there, I go like
Mali pa vlog ko
that as
talaga.
well, you know.
Wala akong pakailan mo na So are we gonna do it tonight or tomorrow?
Well,
Now.
I say we do it now. We do it
Now.
right in the middle
Now,
here.
now, okay, ready?
Now.
I want to prove my point, you two men, that I am the master barber.
Okay, we're gonna do it now, tomorrow.
Wait,
Right now.
Decide for me, man.
Ask permission first.
You got permission.
No, wait,
Customer.
wait. You're in good hands.
You're in good hands,
When
baby.
you have me around, you're in good hands, man. Don't worry.
Okay, you do
Look,
half,
okay.
you do half.
Okay, you got Master Fish.
Baby, you're in good
You
hands.
got, you
It's
got.
like too short, just cut it like number 2, and then you blend it up here, yeah? And then that will be like number 3, and then number 4, and then when he combs it downward, it'll look nice and flat, and shape to his face.
Baby, do you trust them or should I do it myself?
No, let's just do it today, man.
Let's do it. Get the razor out, man. Right now, no long
He
take.
said do it today.
Do it now.
Do it today.
There you go.
On the red corner.
Rocky Balboa!
But who's that? You gotta say who it is.
So who's the better one? This
On
one?
the left corner.
Woo! Fishing Master Fish!
And on the right corner.
Mervin!
Mervinator.
Okay, let's go.
Ay, bukas alalahanin nyo itong pinagagawa nyo.
Okay, man.
OMG! What shit? I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Master Fish.
Hindi ko
Mervinator.
alam yung pinagagawa
one.
Yeah, very handsome.
I know that haircut. I know that haircut. Straight up.
You wanna be like that?
Mr. Kandigande.
Seriously, look at this hair.
Kandigande is fine.
In 1, 2, 3, who's gonna win?
Okay.
Oh shit. Okay, Mervin is gonna start.
Okay,
Baby,
Go, Mervin.
Okay,
baby, are
up
you
to-
ready?
just
Baby,
the
are
side,
you
yeah?
ready on
Just
your
the side.
birthday? Happy birthday.
Just the side.
No regrets, yeah? No regrets.
You're already fucked up. Yeah?
Guys, relax. Ano ba yan?
Tawa ako dun sa pag-flick. Ay! Kala ko natanggal yung tenga.
Ito, Merv.
Ano ba?
Takot sa'yo ito, Merv.
Wala ka na magagawa. Ayun na yun. Hindi na mapalik
Wait,
mga buhok.
challenge mo to, babe. Challenge mo to, by the way. Tingnan mo.
That's such a bad excuse.
Okay. Boom. Look at that. Wait, hold on. Show us the picture that you showed us. Okay, I think I'm
There.
done for now. Okay. The top is not done yet. This is only the side. Side.
Okay,
Look at the side.
Okay, so fish is gonna do the side.
Okay, fish.
Okay, fish.
Give me
Fish.
that clipper.
Uy,
Fish. You need to see the.
Baby,
Fine, man.
you'll end up.
Okay. Give me.
Baby,
Tignan mo yung side. Maikli. Ay, yung gusto niya. Maikli.
babe. Baby, the worst case scenario is you'll be bald. That's it.
He won't be bald.
That's it.
He won't be
You
bald.
won't. Trust me.
There's
You
no
won't.
such thing as worst
Yeah.
case scenario. There's no such thing.
Okay, someone competitive is not gonna let you down. All right, next on the other side.
I got this, man.
Yo, where's my drink, man? Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, baby.
Don't try it, man. You can't distract me from this, man. I'm the grand master of this shit. Do you already feel more comfortable with me, sir?
Yes, fish. I think fish hand is more better than Tito's Mervis.
Mervin, hear this.
It's all about the results. It's all about the results.
Man, you're so rough on me, man.
Oh, because I like it rough.
Yeah, but maybe your client don't like it rough, don't it?
Well, that's what the girls didn't say. They like it rough.
What can you say, fish? You're concentrating already. He's concentrating.
Come on, this is someone's hair, man. You can't mess about with it. This is real shit. Riz, you're gonna wake up looking like a superstar, mate.
Are you confident you're gonna win?
Look at that. Look how faded that is. Kanina, don't say that.
Ah.
Hey,
What do you think, Master Riz?
Ay, ayan na pala, babe.
That's it. Go home now.
Oy, sabi niya kay fish, it's good.
Man, this is different. Oh man.
Want a bit lower?
No. I think fish.
So who you
thing is
prefer?
good. I think this thing is good, man.
Baby, do you realize that if you choose fish, we're gonna be kicked out tonight?
Let's see.
No, don't use that.
No, but hold on, it's not faded properly. Look at that. I can see the line. Look at that.
It's not finished yet. Okay, this is just.
The
Okay,
other
miss-
side, the other
This is
side.
just a song
Show
from
the
the
other
side.
Mine's not finished as well. Okay, go on the other side.
Okay, this is the one side. It's not straight. It's not straight. Okay, it's not straight. Okay, the other side. The other side.
So, wow, look at that.
Okay. It's not straight as well, but it's
No,
okay.
You know what? It's up to you. No matter what, you still have a home. Okay, you take a peek. It's fine. Whatever you say, you still have a home.
What? Is it done? Is it
sounds
finished?
like
Or you
a
just
friend.
gonna let it go like
I
that?
think it's okay. Let them go like that.
Okay, go on.
Wait lang.
That's it. Did you finish it?
Tinatapakan ko na pala yung ano.
Wait, who's gonna finish it?
Alexa,
Okay.
tell Moses to clean.
No, upo na. Hindi pa tapos.
Wait a
Hindi,
minute.
pero yun lang oh.
How? If you can't decide, sir, would you let your wife decide for you?
You want me to do it? You want me to do it?
No, man.
Baby.
Okay, if you think fish's one's better,
Baby, I can do it.
I can just relax.
Baby,
and-
if you want to be safe, I can do it for
is that too
you.
short?
No, it's too high on that side.
Oh, it's too high.
This is perfect.
Let me see. Okay.
Baby, I can do it for you. I
But there's
can do
nothing
it.
I can do anymore. It's too high already here on the other side.
It's
And
okay,
you're
sir.
gonna be-
You can always comb your hair this side, and it'll make it look very good.
Okay, if it's too high,
I can fix it for you, sir.
it's okay. Fish can fix it, and then I can drink.
Oh, he's sad now. You did not win.
It's okay. You know what? I'll win another day.
I'll make the thing, sir.
You admit defeat
Okay,
from
you know
Master
what?
Fish?
Master Fish, today
Congratulations,
you won.
Master
you
Fish.
won. It's okay.
Master Fish
good.
won.
Thank you.
Okay, one more picture with Master Fish.
One more fish. One more picture. One more picture.
Wait, in 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'll finish your hair for you, sir.
thank you, Master Fish.
Woohoo! Inuwa na! Nasaan na? Baby, tingnan natin yung iyong Baby!
Pogi po.
So what? Yeah.
Finish?
Do you want to pin your hair?
Wait, the vlog is finished.
Blessing yung
You want to pin your hair?
The vlog is
Okay, you
finished,
wash it again.
guys. The vlog is finished.
Vlog is finished.
The i-cover mo yung ano. See you on our next vlog!
See you in our next vlog.
Pablo Escobar.
Oh.